Welcome to the Piping Engineer YouTube channel. Perfect welds require precise preparation. Today, we're covering the essential steps for pipe beveling and fit-up in fabrication workshops. Let's get started. For a standard but weld fit-up according to ASME B16.25, each pipe end is beveled at an angle of 37.5 degrees, plus or minus 2.5 degrees. The standard range is 30 to 37.5 degrees, creating a total included angle of 60 to 75 degrees. The root gap between the two pipes should be set between 1.6 mm and 3.2 mm, or 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch, to ensure proper root penetration during welding. The optimal gap for root pass penetration is 2.5 to 3.2 mm. Lastly, the root face or land is set to 1.6 mm, plus or minus 0.8 mm, or 1/16 of an inch. If this quick guide made your job easier, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical piping tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read and answer them all.